going to do a get ready with me. I'm just going to put on this makeup. Today I'm using the Maybelline Superstay Skin Tint, 24-hour skin tint. And I will show you all the products that I'm using. And my favorite, now it's my favorite eyeshadow palette, the Wonka Bar. It smells like chocolate if you put your nose to the palette. And it doesn't smell like chocolate when it's on your eyes, but when you put your nose to the palette, it smells like chocolate. The colors are incredible. This is toffee, fudge mellow, dark chocolate, and deep cacao. Oh, look how pigmented they are. It's incredible. It's just so dense. And the next row is Scrumptious, Golden Ticket, Nutty Crunch Surprise, and Malt. And Malt is a cream. I'll show you the swatches. Look at that. In one swipe, it's incredible. Oh, it's beautiful. This color, Malt, is usually just a beige, but it's gotten a lot of the fallings from the other shadows. It is a beautiful, beautiful color story. And it goes on like a dream. I must get a backup. And so, Happy New Year, and let's get on with the Get Ready with Me. to give a quick shout out to some of my followers, to Sherry Light, to Shirley Eads, to Bonnie Lemon, to Barbara Constantino, to SC Sweet Tea, to Angela Jane Lomax, to Linda James, to Honeybee, to Rosemary Roberts, to Glitzy Fritzy, to Monika's Beauty and Lifestyle, to Andy Bunn, to HRH Paula, Carla Tullis, Joanne Madalena, Gina Marie Bertacci, Cindy Holt, Rose the Over 70 makeup artist, 3/4 Time, Pasha Ann, Blingy Bee, Brenda Bide, Karen B. Gum, to Grandma Abby, to Jean Jacobs, to Melissa 55, to Mary Ellen After 60, just to name a few, and there are many, many more, which I will mention in another video, and I appreciate you all. And that's it. I think I need some height. So thank you so much for being here. Before you go, I just want to show you what I just put on the inner corner of my eyes. I used the 35S Morphe palette called Sweet Oasis, and the color I used was Reef Dive. I see this on so many YouTubers and TikTokers, and I just see this all over the place. I love when they put a little color, a little highlight in there, and I never do it, but I'm trying it. Let me know if you like it, or is it ridiculous? All comments are welcomed, and I am going to do another shout out. I'm going to keep doing shout outs because it's a way of me showing you that I appreciate you. And thank you so much for being here. Happy New Year to all, and I'll see you in my next video. I just want to show you a pair of boots I bought. So cute! This is so cute. Look at this. They're all rubber. It looks like it's socks, but it's all rubber. This is green. This is the pink. And then, to make it super comfy, I put this in. I put the lamb's wool. This is a size 39. I am a 7.5, and these fit me amazing. They're just so cute. With that little lining, oh my goodness. It doesn't rain here a lot in California, but when it does and you have to run out, you're always not prepared for the rain because it doesn't happen often. So as long as I have the boots, I could just slip them on and not be worried that my feet are going to get soaking wet. Because when you're not prepared, you get rained all over. It's not like when you live on the East Coast. You've got your boots, your raincoat, your umbrella. Over here, it's always sunny. So when it does rain, and I love the rain, I must say, I love the rain. And so when it does rain, at least now I'm prepared. So anyway, let me know what you think about the little insert of color there. I don't know. I'm going to try different colors and different looks this year. We're going to have a fun year. Remember, you're my YouTube family, and I'm your YouTube family. So we're going to have a lot of looks, a lot of best products for less money, and we're going to have a good time. So I hope you will stick around, follow, subscribe, share. Is that what they say? I don't know. I can't say it the way they say it. They say it so fast. So anyway, thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Love you. I don't understand the YouTube algorithm, but I know that you have to hit that bell or you won't get notified.